Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5072033. Because of this error code, that is 0x80070002, there was a problem installing this update. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, the first step is to open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, and here you can see pause option, hit pause. And once it is paused, now resume updates and then check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness in the list. Somewhere at the top you will find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Once done, now you can check. Still not working. After you start these services, if you see retry option, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. So type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. And then copy the first command. Paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, and once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. Use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, write down the name of the update, that is KB5072033, and then click on search. And then over here, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, then click on WinVer run command and check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. And then check the system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. For me it's x64, 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. So for me this is the right one. Now click on download. And over here you will see the update, that is KB5072033. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. And then once done, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. And then open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. And over here you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. Media creation tool, click on download now. The link is provided in the video description, and then run this exe file and then click on accept over here. And then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop and then save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Now go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.